Yes, people. Yeah, Jamaican truck driver here. Just giving you a view of Philadelphia. Nothing pretty about Philadelphia at all, at all, at all, at all. I'm just driving through it right now. And may I tell you, nothing pretty about it. I'd rather be home in the sunshine. This is what Philadelphia looks like on a Sunday afternoon. Them have enough black people though. I see enough of them. It's like they are the predominant figure down here. But so it go. This is Philadelphia. This is the part going out to the suburbs. I'm on my way to the suburbs of Philadelphia. A little small town called Haverford. Anyways, nothing exciting today. Just a little sightseeing, you know. Alright, later.